Good Veda Day Tuesday. I actually have the day off today, so we just got back from so in the morning we were working outside on our garage, and then we just took a walk because it was gonna rain later in the day, but we got caught in the rain.
No.
Stay.
Caitlin, Hudson can go in. Hudson!
It's a bit rainy, but the sun is out. So I'm thinking there should be a rainbow somewhere. So I did not see a rainbow, and then I got stuck under the pergola.
I did that too!
Yeah! They're exhausted because we made them run in the rain when we got stuck on our walk.
Hudson did not run in the rain. Hudson decided that the rain made him very slow.
There is all of our clothes that are currently still drying from being in the rain. Good stuff. Hiya, Hudson.